I'm out here in the snow in Texas. Look at all the snow.
Say Garland, Texas.
Garland, Texas. And it's still snowing. Is it still snowing?
Yeah. That's just from falling.
Oh. It's the record snowstorm. We haven't had snow like this since 1978.
Never.
We've had like up to 6 inches of snow. All this snow. Oh, I'm sliding.
Careful.
Oh God. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my God.
Alex, look at me.
Look, the tree branches fell.
Amy, look what.
Holy crap.
Oh my God. Okay.
Look at this.
Okay.
My mom was trying to build a snowman, which they don't know how to do, obviously.
Yes, I do.
Y'all don't.
Yes, I do. This is how you do it. You make your ball, and then you start rolling, just like this. And it gets bigger and bigger.
They don't know how to make no snowman.
Yes, I do. Now what?
We are building a snowman, and this is such beautiful weather. I mean, come on. We haven't had snow like this in a long time.
Look at all this. Look at it.
Okay, well, look, this is part. We already got the bottom. We'll do the rest.
Don't you dare. I'm going to throw
No
it at you.
snowballs. Snowballs.
I have to get it on camera.
No, Sean, not yet. I don't have a coat on.
Okay, we need to have 3 yet.
All right, we got the bottom. Now we need to make the second
enough.
half.
No more. No
Hear me?
more.
What?
We need to make the second half. There's the bottom.
Come on, Sean, you got to help.
No, I'm filming.
Well, take a picture of me and Madison then.
Madison, here, film this when we lay down in it. Film me.
All right. I'll go.
Yeah, film me. Look at all the snow. Put it lay down in it. Ready?
Be careful.
Make a snow angel now. There you go. Good. See, my cousin Sean here is making snowman in case y'all didn't know.
Okay.
He's making a snowman because he is enjoying the wonderful. Oh my gosh, look, it's a snow angel. How pretty. I can't see it because.
Okay.
Well, yeah, because you big, duh.
Right?
Okay, I can't really see that because that's so white.
I know.
Can't tell.
God, look at all this whiteness.
Oh my God.
Ain't it pretty?
Oh. I know, right?
That was my cousin Sean, who just fell into the snow again. You can't really tell it's the snow angel because the snow angel is so white.
Somebody's got to move the truck.
This is my aunt, Amy. She's making our snowman. We are enjoying the wonderful life of our snow.
Snow!
Snow, 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 yeah.
I just can't believe all this snow.
Isn't it exciting?
Yes.
Okay, Sean, what do you want me to do now?
Take a picture.
Okay.
A picture so we can put it on the.
How am I supposed to stop?
I don't know.
I'll tell you when to stop. There's 35 minutes.
She said how to stop.
I said how to, so I don't want to hold this no more. I want to help Amy make the snowman. You
I
film.
want you to take a picture.
Well, I can't. That's what I'm trying to tell him. Just make it stop.
Look, see, it's getting bigger and bigger.
Hi.
What's that?
What?
Oh!
Sean, watch.
Oh, that's the concrete.
Over here.
I don't even know what the concrete is.
It's so fun.
Right there?
Oh.
I want him to go in there. It was doo-doo.
Yeah.
Don't you do it.
I want you to take a picture of me and Madison.
For real.
Look, I'm all got the ball done.
Mom! Come help. Amy's almost got the middle half. That's what
It's taking forever because she doesn't know how to make a snowman.
Let me see. I need to film Mom. I need to say some stuff.
Why can I do it?
Because I want to do it.
It's my camera.
Picture of me and Madison.
That's me.
I'll take a picture of me and
Come on, Sean.
I mean Madison in the snow.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.